This is beautiful. Oh, she.
Say what? Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling. Scheming on you and your homie. The very first day of summer. All grown down in the Hummer, baby. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line.
Oh.
Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. You know what's up, baby, on you, and I'm wanting you. Tell me what's up,
Hey y'all, welcome to the first vlog of 2026. And starting out the year, we are doing a travel vlog. As you have seen, we went to Washington, D.C. to celebrate my mother-in-law for her birthday. And basically, Washington, D.C. has become my second home. This is probably my third time visiting within 2 years, and I cannot wait to visit again. From riding Amtrak, going to our hotel, going to the Museum of the Bible, and all the good old restaurants that we tried, and of course, going to Chinatown. Every time I come to Washington, I literally see something different every single time. But some choices stay the same because why would you ruin anything that is good? But, anyways, Amtrak was nothing but amazing. It was our first time riding Amtrak, and it will definitely not be our last. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.